Hey guys, welcome back to Simon Cat and Father. Today I'm going to be using nothing but the new guns. So I'm not allowed to use any of the guns that were in the previous season. So no striker pumps, no ranger assault rifles, no auto shotguns. Only the new weapons from this season. So I'm going to be landing at Chonku Speedway and hope that there is a new gun, good gun here, that I can use. So I can actually pick them up, I just can't use them. Okay, so revolver, that's new. So I can now use it. 2 revolvers. Person. Sure, there was someone walking around here. Never mind. Doesn't really matter. Hey, that's the new one. Okay, so we have a person there. And we have, okay. So we now have this. Okay, so this is actually a really good gun. I myself really like it. It's an alteration of the previous burst assault rifle. Ooh, so I can take the sniper, but I won't. So the striker burst rifle is actually an alteration of the previous one. I think, in my opinion, it's better because it's scoped, but it's not everyone's opinion. So far all I have are new weapons. Okay, so that's the drum shotgun. So that's probably one of the. Okay, so actually just wait 1 minute, and I will be back with the newest member of the family, Ollie. Back in 1 minute. So this is my new cat, Ollie, and she is a cutie little tortoiseshell. So she doesn't actually like to be held. But she is really cute. And the ways that she wants attention, she will push her nose into you until you start to scratch her. And then you should see when she wants to lie down. Since her feet are actually really close to the ground, she will just flop over. I'm not kidding. She will walk like this, and then she'll just decide to flop over. And it's all because she is so close to the ground. Okay, so she did not like to be held then, but she's alright with it. Just, I don't know why, but she doesn't seem to like being held for some reason. So we're actually trying to get her to stop that, because there's nothing wrong with her being held. But she is so cute, and she sleeps. We bought her a little apple, like a okay, the tank there. But we bought her like a little plush apple, and she sleeps in it most nights, and she's so cute when she does. Man, she is one cat. Like, she is a darn cute cat. But she doesn't like loud noises. Unfortunately, she doesn't get along too well with Baldrick, which we need to try and fix. But they're getting better with each other. But we got a couple of months ago, and the cutest thing though is that since we know that she's well behaved at night, and we actually trust her, Baldrick's not trusted. He's not very, let's just say he's not very trustworthy. Okay. Whoa, that guy just demolished me. Is that Gunner? It looks like some guy with gun skin. Wait, I can't. Where's all the buttons? What did I press? What's happening? Where's the I can't press anything. What is happening? Please fall off. Okay, there. Okay. But yeah, so that's our new cat. Don't forget to tune in next time. She might not be in the video, unfortunately, but I'll see what I can do. See you next time.